Okay. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Junichi Mori, Vice President of Kyoto University for International Relations. It is my great pleasure to welcome you here to the first AEARU Symposium on the culture of Chinese characters. 2 years have passed since this symposium first proposed by Kyoto University's President, Dr. Hiroshi Matsumoto, at the 15th Annual General Meeting of the Association of East Asia Research Universities, which was held at Tohoku University in December 2009. Association of East Asian Research Universities, which we call AEARU, is a consortium of 17 East Asia's research universities. Since 2009, many people have worked hard to make the idea of symposium on the culture of Chinese characters a reality. Particular credit is due to the AEARU member universities, whose scholars are generously sharing their accumulated wisdom with us as presenters and discussants. Also, Dr. Chao-Xuan Liu, Chairman of the General Association of Chinese Culture and Senior Advisor to the President of the ROC, who will honor us this morning by giving a keynote speech. The Japan Kanji Aptitude Testing Foundation has also provided invaluable support in organizing the public symposium on Chinese characters and education, which will be held on Friday, tomorrow afternoon. And sincere thanks is also due to the Kyoto University Foundation for sponsoring the event. I would now like to introduce to you one of the most important figures in the organization of the symposium, Professor Tetsuji Atsuji. Professor Atsuji is a member of the faculty of Kyoto University's Graduate School of Human and Environmental Studies. He is a leading expert in the field of Chinese cultural history and Chinese writing systems, and the author of many highly regarded books on the subject of Chinese characters. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the chairperson of the Symposium of Organizing Committee, Professor Tetsuji Atsuji.